Hi students, welcome to everyone. How are you all are doing, students? This is for your quarterly examination. 9th standard students mathematics English medium questions. I have uploaded 4 model question papers, so you have to watch till the end. You definitely will get mark above 70 on your examination of mathematics. So kindly watch and write down in your notebook and practice in yourself. Okay, students, this question will help to you for Centum mark, not Centum mark, but you can take above 70 marks. So watch that full video, and if you want any video you can comment on comment box. Okay students, I have already uploaded uh, science and social science in our channel in English medium 9th standard students quarterly examination. Okay students, so kindly I request to you to subscribe our channel and like also. Okay students, thank you, and watch the full video. Okay, it will help to you, and share with your friend circle on your WhatsApp group, anyone. There is no problem, because they will also get some these questions for their examination. So kindly share your WhatsApp group.